Every step you take, whether it's climbing stairs, going for a walk, or even standing up, depends on one powerful protein, collagen. But as we age, collagen levels begin to drop, and when that happens, your joints stiffen, your knees ache, and swelling slowly creeps in. Most people assume it's just part of getting older, but the truth is, your body is simply losing collagen faster than it can rebuild it. The good news? You can fix it naturally. In today's video, I'll share 10 collagen-rich foods that can bring strength, flexibility, and comfort back to your legs and joints, and you can find most of them in your kitchen right now. We'll count down from the least to the most powerful, and trust me, the number one food on this list contains over 60% more collagen than any other food on Earth. So stay with me till the end. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a health tip like this again. All right, let's begin. Number 10. Egg yolks. When you think of eggs, you probably picture the whites as the healthy part. But here's a surprise. The real joint healing power lies in the yolk. Egg yolks are loaded with nutrients that your body uses to make collagen, including sulfur, biotin, and vitamin D. Sulfur is especially important. It's like the spark plug that helps your body build the amino acids needed for collagen production. Without enough sulfur, your cartilage weakens. Your ligaments lose elasticity, and swelling can set in more easily. Vitamin D, on the other hand, supports bone density and reduces discomfort in weight-bearing joints, especially your knees and hips. And biotin helps maintain healthy connective tissue. The secret? Cook them gently. Soft-boiled, poached, or lightly fried in olive oil helps preserve all those joint-loving nutrients. Avoid high-heat scrambling. It can destroy some of the delicate compounds that protect your joints. So next time you make breakfast, keep the yolk. It's one of the simplest, tastiest ways to support collagen and reduce swelling. One bite at a time. Number 9. Pumpkin seeds. They may look tiny, but pumpkin seeds are like collagen-boosting power capsules. Packed with zinc, magnesium, and manganese, they help your body create and protect collagen naturally. Zinc activates the enzymes that start collagen synthesis. Magnesium calms inflammation, one of the biggest causes of stiffness. And manganese strengthens the connective tissues that keep your joints stable. What makes pumpkin seeds even more special is that they work in two ways. They build collagen and also fight inflammation. A 2021 study showed that seniors who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks experienced a 19% drop in swelling and a 27% improvement in joint flexibility. To get the most benefit, eat them raw or dry roasted without added oils or salt. You can also soak them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt. It helps release more minerals and makes them easier to digest. Add them to your smoothies, salads, or oatmeal, and you'll be surprised how these little seeds can make a big difference in how your knees and hips feel. Number 8. Salmon. Salmon isn't just good for your heart. It's a secret weapon for your joints. This flavorful fish is rich in amino acids, which build collagen, and omega-3 fatty acids, which calm joint inflammation. That means it supports both collagen production and joint recovery at the same time. Studies show that eating salmon just twice a week can lead to 20% better joint comfort and noticeably less swelling after 2 months. That's because omega-3s help your cartilage stay flexible and reduce the breakdown that comes with age. For best results, cook salmon gently. Bake, steam, or grill it on low heat. Avoid deep frying. High temperatures can destroy those healthy fats. Pair it with a drizzle of olive oil and lemon for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. And remember, consistency matters. A couple of salmon meals per week can make walking, climbing, and stretching feel smoother and easier. Number 7. Canned salmon with bones. Don't underestimate that simple can in your pantry. It's actually a collagen goldmine. When you eat canned salmon with bones, you're getting a rare combination of collagen, calcium, and gelatin, all vital for cartilage repair and joint strength. The soft, edible bones are where much of the collagen hides, and when eaten with the fish, they give your joints the exact nutrients they need to rebuild and stay flexible. In a 2020 study, seniors who ate bone-in salmon 3 times a week saw over 30% improvement in knee flexibility and 20% less inflammation in just a few weeks. The best part? It's convenient and affordable. You can mash it into salads, stir it into grain bowls, or spread it on toast. The bones are so soft they blend right in. You won't even notice them, but your joints will. If you're looking for a budget-friendly food that truly helps your knees, hips, and ankles, this is it. Number 6. Chicken skin. For years, people were told to throw away the chicken skin. But that's a huge mistake because it's actually packed with type 1 collagen, the same type your body uses to build ligaments, tendons, and cartilage. Eating chicken skin gives your body ready-made collagen it can absorb and use to strengthen your joints. A study on adults over 55 found that those who consumed poultry collagen daily experienced a 40% improvement in joint comfort and a 33% drop in stiffness within just 12 weeks. To keep the collagen intact, avoid frying. Instead, slow roast, bake, or simmer the skin in soups and broths. Gentle cooking keeps the nutrients alive and your meals delicious. So the next time you prepare chicken, don't throw away the skin. Use it. It's flavorful, affordable, and one of nature's best natural joint protectors. Number 5. Avocado. Soft, creamy, and delicious. Avocados are more than a trendy toast topping. They're one of the most joint-loving superfoods you can eat. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, all of which protect your joints from wear, tear, and inflammation. They also contain plant compounds called phytosterols, which help calm the inflammation that often leads to stiffness and swelling. A 2019 study found that older adults who ate just half an avocado daily experienced less knee pain and better flexibility after 12 weeks. The best part? Avocados are incredibly easy to add to your meals. Spread them on whole grain toast, blend them into smoothies, or slice them over salads. Their natural oils nourish joint tissue, improve lubrication, and help your body absorb other fat-soluble nutrients that support collagen production. So, next time you're craving something creamy, reach for an avocado. Number 4. Gelatin. Think of gelatin as pre-digested collagen, easy for your body to absorb and ready to go straight to your joints. When you eat gelatin, your body breaks it down into amino acids that rebuild cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. That's why it's often called joint food in its purest form. The 2018 study revealed that seniors who consumed gelatin daily saw a 37% increase in mobility and a 27% drop in swelling in just 6 weeks. To get these results, you don't need fancy supplements. High-quality, grass-fed, unflavored gelatin powder is all you need. You can stir it into warm water, tea, or broth, or make homemade fruit gummies for a fun collagen treat. Consistency is key. A small amount daily can make a big difference over time. It's affordable, simple, and incredibly effective. If you want smoother movement and less stiffness, make gelatin part of your daily routine. And number 3, sardines with skin and bones. They may be small, but sardines are tiny collagen powerhouses. When you eat them with their skin and bones, you're giving your body a concentrated dose of type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and omega-3 fats, the exact nutrients your joints crave. A 2022 study showed that seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week experienced a 29% reduction in pain and a 25% drop in joint swelling. If you're new to sardines, try this. Match them with a little Greek yogurt and mustard for a creamy spread, or toss them into salads and grain bowls. The key is to eat the skin and bones. That's where the collagen lives. They're soft, easy to chew, and packed with minerals that help your cartilage stay strong and flexible. Affordable, nutrient-rich, and incredibly effective, sardines are proof that sometimes the smallest foods make the biggest difference. Number 2. Bone broth. They call it liquid gold for your joints, and for good reason. Bone broth is loaded with collagen, gelatin, and amino acids that help rebuild and repair your cartilage and connective tissues. Drinking bone broth regularly is like giving your joints a natural collagen therapy from the inside out. A 2021 clinical study found that seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks saw a 44% decrease in joint swelling and nearly 40% improvement in mobility. To make it at home, simmer chicken or beef bones for at least 12 hours with onions, garlic, and apple cider vinegar, which helps extract more collagen. If you're short on time, choose refrigerated or frozen versions from the store with no additives or preservatives. Enjoy it warm, sip it like tea, or use it as a base for soups and stews. Each cup delivers nourishment your joints can. Number 1. Beef tendons. Now for the number 1 collagen-rich food in the world, beef tendons. They may not look fancy, but they're absolutely loaded with type 1 collagen, the same collagen your body uses to keep joints, ligaments, and bones healthy and strong. When slow cooked, beef tendons release massive amounts of gelatin and amino acids that directly support your cartilage and joint lubrication. A 2022 study showed that seniors who ate beef tendon stew 3 times a week had a 63% improvement in joint fluid density and a 41% reduction in knee stiffness. Life-changing results for anyone dealing with chronic joint pain. The secret is in the preparation. Simmer tendons slowly for 8 to 12 hours until soft and jelly-like. You can add them to soups, noodles, or rice dishes for a rich, comforting meal. They're affordable, incredibly nourishing, and far more effective than many supplements on the market. And there you have it, 10 collagen-rich foods that can help you say goodbye to swelling and bring comfort and strength back to your legs and joints. From everyday choices like eggs and pumpkin seeds to collagen powerhouses like bone broth and beef tendons, each of these foods gives your body the building blocks it needs to stay active, mobile, and pain-free. You don't need expensive supplements, just real, wholesome food that helps your body heal itself naturally. Start small. Add 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals each week. Over time, you'll notice smoother movement, less stiffness, and more confidence in every step you take. Because remember, your body never stops trying to repair itself. All it needs is the right support. So tell me, which of these 10 foods will you try first? Share it in the comments below. I love reading your stories. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural health tips. Take care of your joints, keep moving, and always remember, with the right foods, your body can feel young again at any age.